back to Rushing Sisters.
It's Sloane.
And it's Lola. And one more thing before you start. We're gonna, what was I gonna say? Guys, please make sure you know to read my mind. What was I gonna say?
It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
No,
Bad hair day.
No.
You do have.
Don't mind the hair, but I don't. Okay, because today we're gonna do our
slime reveal.
Yeah, slime.
New slime.
Okay, first I'm starting. So I have this cookie slime. So let's open it. I already opened it.
Is that one of your favorite?
Yes.
It has a bubble right there.
Sloane, you should have let them pop the bubble. How rude. Okay, and this is the little top. I'll just call it top of the jar. It's called Crazy Slimy, and it's actually called Cookie Jar. So let's get in there. Guys, you have to smell
What are those on our tree, Lola?
Berries?
Okay, show them your slime.
I think they're berries. Blackberries. I don't mean actual blackberries, but they are berries, but maybe they're trying to turn purple. Look how stretchy. It smells so good. And Sloane, one of the Sloane's smells so good. And it's her favorite one. This one smells so good. And it's a cookie. Look at these charms. So I have this one. Hey, Sloane. But they feel first. And it has this little cookie charm. And that's all the charms. And then guys feel it. Sloane, feel it?
Feel it. Yay. It feels actually pretty nice. It's just like not the stretchiest, but it is really clicky.
Let's make it like a cookie. Okay, and then guys, let's make it a cookie. We're gonna try and make it a pancake or a cookie.
Looks like Cookie Monster.
Yeah, stop.
Put Cookie Monster back in his cage so I can move on to my slime.
Yeah, Cookie Monster is
my favorite slime.
And by the way, guys, I am sick because I threw up last day.
Don't tell them. That's disgusting. Okay, can you hurry up so I can do mine?
I'm not that sick.
Can I do mine now?
Yeah, I actually
Hey
am not
guys,
sick.
this is my favorite slime. So it's an ice cream slime. It smells so good. It's my favorite one.
Guys, while Sloane's eating a slime, I'm gonna get a snack. So, BRB.
Alright, well, it comes with this really cute like charm, and it did come with sprinkles, and I put the sprinkles in it already.
This is yummy.
So it's like a mint chocolate chip. And if you really look closely, there's like pink tinsel sprinkles.
And this is yummy. Got all the yummies.
It's just so nice.
Okay, got all the yummies.
And it can make the best swirls and the best
I
butter.
got my snacks.
Okay, be quiet and watch this crackle. Ready? Shh. If you want to hear a real crackle, watch this. Here's your snacks.
Stop making fun of snacks.
So nice.
Let's move on to my side. I'll eat this next after though. I already got mine. So this is the charm. Okay, sorry, my nose was itchy. This is the charm. My nose is itchy again. Oh, my nose is itchy. This is the charm. Okay. This is the other charm. It's a bunny. And more stretching it.
We're gonna move on to my second favorite.
And we're gonna say that.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna move on.
Okay, so this is my second favorite. Guess what color it is?
I think it's teal.
Lola, you already knew.
Oh my goodness.
But yes, it is teal, and it's so nice. So it's like a pastel. It's called Pastel Pretty.
And guys, don't mind my hair. Did I say that before?
Yes. It's so squishy, so stretchy. Let's do a bubble pop. Like Lola loves these bubble pops. Watch. She'll blow her mind. Didn't you love that?
Boring.
Is that Mama? No, it's one.
I want.
And it looks more green off camera. On camera, it looks like really blue. It's actually a lot more green. It's like a mint green, like the.
It's actually kind of teal.
Mint green teal.
On camera, it looks really blue, but off camera, it looks mint greenish teal.
Okay, your turn. Lola.
I already do this one yet. Really tiny slime. That's Sloane. Ran nice and quiet time, and then it got loud because the lid. Because it sounded like it was metal. By the way, I think it is metal. It sizzles and then it twists.
Oh, I need to go get something. I need to go get something, Lola.
And this is my beer. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom. I'm going to do that after because I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. Oh, hi, Curtin. Hi, Sloane. Sloane.
Okay, is it
guys,
my turn?
I'm going to go to the bathroom. Yeah.
Can I feel it?
I'm going to.
I made this one for you. It's like a buttery texture, but like a glossy texture. It's nice. It feels like a fluffy slime, kind of, but like buttery. It's really tiny though, sadly. Okay, next time, this one. So good. This one's my third favorite. Guess how it smells. Guess. You have to guess. Like you. It's scented. Wild strawberry. Could keep doing this until it's flattened. Okay, it's fine. It looks like dough, but it's actually not dough. It's like actually a cloud slime. It actually is a cloud slime. It's actually kind of not a cloud slime, it is. Well, we can see you.
Hi, guys.
It's so nice.
Sloane, we can see you. Definitely.
I just love it so much.
I actually see you.
Least
You
favorite.
guys were
favorite slime. It's so pretty, like the color is so pretty, right, Lola? But it does not feel nice. Like, watch. You think it's like the stretchy butter slime? Watch this.
It's definitely pretty.
It's clay.
And
It's
not
dried out.
scratchy.
It's so pretty though. Like, look at this. I want to keep this color. Like, if you go, it's just.
And if you smush it, look what.
It's hard as a rock.
Okay. Let me feel.
Ouchie. Give me my diaper. I'm pinching you. Lola. Okay, that was my last slime. Finish your slimes.
Okay, my last.
Lola's gonna finish hers. Love you guys so much. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Hey, my last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.